long trip.
Feet up, feet up. Up, up, up.
It's a big place.
Yeah, it is.
A lot of chairs. Oh, that's what you were saying. You had to pay for the little lounge with the little umbrella
Yep,
thing.
yep, that's the one. We lucked out by not coming. Wait, the place we went today, for people on the video, I don't know which one I'll post first, but we went to a place called Big French Key. That was good.
Very friendly.
And then we really wanted to do a trip on this, whatever you call it, gondola, chairlift. So the cruise leaves in 45 minutes. We jumped on this thing just to do it. But we were going to book this place, but earlier
They would have been busy.
they would have been too busy. We really lucked out with the place
And
we were
had
at.
the little island to ourselves. It was what, not even 20 people on there.
That's right.
Next time we do zip line.
I'm going to hit pause.
Poetry.